Looking for the best way to learn data science on Coursera and save money at the same time? In this video, I'll explain how Coursera data science programs work and why the current Coursera Plus discount is worth considering. Before we get started, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. Coursera offers data science courses for every skill level. If you're a beginner, the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate is one of the best places to start. You'll learn Python, SQL, data analysis, data visualization, machine learning, and build real projects for your portfolio. As your skills grow, you can continue with more advanced programs in machine learning, statistics, cloud computing, and data engineering. Because everything is on the same platform, you can keep building your skills without starting over. Here's where many learners save the most money. Buying professional certificates individually can become expensive, especially if you also want to learn Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI, AI, or data engineering. With Coursera Plus, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top companies and universities including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Johns Hopkins, and many more. You can earn multiple certificates under one subscription instead of paying for each program separately. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, reducing the price from $399 to $239 for eligible new subscribers. If you're planning to spend several months learning data science, it's usually a much better value than purchasing certificates one at a time. My recommendation is simple. Start with a beginner-friendly data science certificate, complete the hands-on projects, then continue with advanced courses as your skills improve. That way you'll build a stronger resume while getting the most from your Coursera Plus subscription. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.